Virtual Train and Simulation is activated. This course was designed to improve your survival skills during a tsunami. A tsunami is basically a series of huge waves caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, underwater landslides, and even asteroid falls. Hey, what are you doing? Although you're completely alone here, it's not an excuse to misbehave. This session will be recorded and evaluated. Alright, let's start the class. Beware, it's gonna feel very real, but you're completely safe here. Can you see the exposed seafloor? Water suddenly turned towards the ocean. This is one of the major tsunami signs. You need to get out from the shore as soon as possible and climb higher. Rhythmic water splashes and unusual roaring sounds can also be the signs of an upcoming tsunami. Another clue is the bubbling, swirling waves near the shore. The oncoming wave is the first stage of the tsunami. The next waves usually arrive in about 10 minutes, and they're much higher. You need to run at least 3 kilometers away from the coastline and rise to a height of 30 meters above the sea level. By the way, a record-breaking powerful tsunami occurred in Lithia Bay in Alaska on July 9, 1958. The wave length reached 1,719 feet. But don't worry, our train in tsunami is not that epic. Oh, everyone falls for the trick. Never touch electrical gadgets during a tsunami, especially if they're wet. Going up on an elevator is a bad idea. Electricity can break anytime. Use the fire escape. Ideally, you gotta climb a mountain, but if you can't reach it quickly, choose the highest building and climb on the roof. Of course, it's not the safest option since the waves can easily destroy the building, but it's better than nothing. Remember, this isn't real. There's no one in these cars. Congratulations! You've passed the tsunami test on the first attempt. Now try to remember those skills.
Seems like I'm safe here.
Nice to see you, honey. We didn't finish talking.
How did you get here?
You can't hide from me.
Challenge accepted. This roof looks good.
I'm gonna get you. Come on, come to mommy.
Leave me alone!
And speaking of that, you forgot about my mother's birthday, empty head.
See you never.
Show yourself. Where are my flowers? Where is my gift for Valentine's Day? Why are you so lame?
Whew. Finally. She got lost.
Peekaboo!
Oh, thank goodness. That was just a dream.